glow. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to your Fitness and Wellness Today. I am Van Goss, and you know what we do, and we do it well. We move! There's some ducks out here in this park. It's called Elk Grove Park. It's huge. There's some ducks out here. They look gangster. They're on the other side. It's like they're waiting for me to get through. I don't know. I hope they let me do this workout though. Okay, so today it's all about exercise bands. I love exercise bands. They're portable. Take them with you anywhere you go. And we're going to do exercise for the upper body. We'll do the lower body in another workout. And if you don't have an exercise band, no worries. You can pretend you have an exercise band and work it like that, okay? But get an exercise band when you get a chance. Oh, wait a minute. Don't start. So, if you want more resistance and you want it to be more challenging, bring the hands in closer. And that makes the pull even more challenging. If you want it easier, bring the hands out and give it a little bit more slack. Here we go. Ready, set, move. And pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, see? 5, shoulders. 6, 7, 8. 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Getting closer so you can see me. 7 and 8. Beautiful. This time you're going to take it around. You're going to work the chest. And bring it around. And make sure you get some slack in there. Right there. You see right there? And you're going to bring the arms out and pull. 1, 2, breathe. 3, 4, 5, see it? 6, 7, 8. Push it. And 8. Good. You know, you all, I just ate a salad and I feel like I got spinach in my teeth. So if I do, let me know. Set yourself up for success. Good. Now let's go to the back. 1, 2. Pull it down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Control. 4, 5, 6, 7. Working it back. 8. Bring it all the way up. And we're going to work biceps. And you're going to bring it, grab it right in here and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 6, 7, 8 more. 1, 2. The important thing is that you repeat the exercise to get the full benefit. All right? We're going to go through each of them 16 and then rewind it back and do them again. Here we go. We're going to work right in here. We get the biceps and we're going to work our deltoids. So here we go. 1, 2. Let me move back so you can see me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7, 8. 1, 2. Look at those ducks. 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6. Breathe. 7 and 8. Booyah. Okay. Now, let's work. We did it out the side to the front. Ready? Here we go. So all you're going to do is just pull it out to the front. Bring the legs out. Okay? And pull it up. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. 6. You got it. 7, 8. Last set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Working the triceps. Oh, I love this one. So simple, simple. Bring it round back, bring it round back. Right in here. Make it work. Right here and pull it up. 1, 2, can you see me? 3, 4. Make that resistance. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Hold it up there and switch sides. Other arm, please. Okay, now this arm at the back, the support arm, you're gonna have it there steady. Do not move that arm. That's the part that gives you that resistance. And pull up. 1, 2, 3. Focus on it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, come on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Excellent. I feel like I'm too far. Okay, now, here we go. Pull back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pulse it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Ah. Call this the bow and arrow. You ready? Hold it out. You're gonna pull it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Ah! Other side. 1, pull it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you so much for joining me. You know I love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will see you at the next workout. Bye! I love being crazy.